Hello everyone, my name is Antony Villones, and today I will be answering 3 interview questions using the STAR method. Now, question number 1. Have you ever solved a problem that others around you could not solve? Tell me about it. Now, during 7th grade pre-algebra, my entire class was stuck on an equation that no one could be able to solve. It was about a pre-algebraic equation that when we tried to solve it, didn't make sense with the context of the situation. And I was stuck on that too. So what I did was just skip that question, move to other questions to complete that, then come back. And when I came back there, and I realized I could just solve it the other way. You see, my pre-algebra teacher taught us to solve algebraic equations by taking taking the variables from the left equation to the right equation, and combining another variable from the right equation to the left equation. But what she didn't tell us about solving algebraic equations is that we can also solve it by going right to left and left to right. We can start the other way. And when I solved it the other way, it started to make sense. And I got the right answer according to my algebra teacher. And then after that, I shared the answer to everyone. Now, question number 2. Have you ever given a presentation to a group? How did you prepare for it? And what would you do differently? Now, this happened during 7th grade culinary. But basically what happened is that we were preparing for an individual presentation about an ingredient we were researching about. And since the goal of this presentation was just to share facts and benefits about this ingredient, I decided to just put most of my effort into just researching this ingredient. Now, the day before the presentation, I decided to write my script and then rehearsed it. And I rehearsed again during the presentation. And when it was finally my turn, I was able to look at the audience. I was able to look at the audience and not look at my script much. I wasn't looking down at all. I was just looking at the audience. Now, if there was something I want to change about that, is that to actually look at the audience's eyes. Because the audience I was talking about earlier is actually the wall. And I was just staring at the wall while saying what I remember about my script. So yeah, that's what I really want to change differently. Question number 3. Describe a difficult time you had dealing with an employee or customer. Why was it difficult? How did you handle it? And what was the outcome? Now, the person I'm going to be talking about is actually not a customer, employee, or classmate. But basically, one of my neighbor's kids stole my little brother's scooter. So here's what happened. I went into the neighborhood to pick up my little brother because it's getting too late. And as I picked up my little brother, I saw that he doesn't have a scooter. I asked him about it, and he said he let someone else borrow it. So I went around the neighborhood looking for the kid who took the scooter, until I saw the kid who was riding my little brother's scooter. I went up to him and asked for the scooter because we had to go. But that kid said that was his scooter, which looked identical to my little brother's scooter, and blamed it on someone else and claimed that that other kid was riding my little brother's scooter. Now I can tell that kid was clearly lying, and not only he blamed it on someone else, but her friends who was with her agreed with her statement. Now, this is a problematic situation for me because I'm not a confrontational man. And you will never see me argue with someone. I just don't like arguing with other people. And since I don't want to escalate the situation anymore, I kind of just can't just take it away from her. But then I got an idea. What if I just ask her parents? After all, he said that he got that scooter when he was young. So I went to his house, asked his parents about the scooter, which by the way looks exactly the same as my little brother's scooter, because it is my little brother's scooter. And then I asked if they remember buying a scooter that looks like that. They said no. Yeah. I guess I got their scooter back. And that concludes me answering 3 interview questions using the STAR method. I hope you guys enjoy my presentations, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye!